This wall light has an up and down lighting feature with 0 wires and easy installation. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the Solar Centre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Mayfair Solar Wall Lights. Let's get into it. The Mayfair Solar Wall Light features a contemporary frosted diffuser that gives a touch of luxury to your garden. This light emits 60 lumens and has been designed to absorb the maximum amount of sunlight even in those darker British months. It emits a soft, warm white glow and has a modern anthracite grey finish. The light body is made from stainless steel and the frosted lens is made from a toughened plastic. This light measures at 14.1 centimetres tall and 8.9 centimetres in diameter. The fixing holes are 3.5 centimetres apart and the bracket is 6 centimetres by 6 centimetres. Let's open up the box and have a look. So inside the box we have the instructions, the screws and wall plugs, and finally the light itself. This light is super easy to set up. Let me show you how. You first need to unscrew the bottom of the light to access the power switch. This light has 2 modes. We've got standard mode and we've got power saving mode. Flip the switch to the S position for standard mode and flip the switch to the P position for the power saving mode. Power saving mode puts the light at 50% brightness. This mode is perfect for preserving the energy during those darker winter months. Once you've chosen your desired mode, just screw the bottom of the light back on. Then you need to take the wall bracket, which can initially be found inside of this part of the light. Take the screws and drill this part of the light into a wall or a fence. The light should then just slide right back in. And then you could take the remaining screws and line up the holes to secure this light to the wall fixing. This light has a built-in dusk sensor, which means this light will turn on automatically after dusk and remain on for 7 hours on a full charge. The solar panel is located on the top of the light. Please make sure you install this light with the panel facing upwards. If we cover the panel, it tricks the light into thinking it's nighttime and the light will turn on. Make sure you place this light in a sunny spot with no obstructions like trees or roof eaves. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.